Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So, have you ever been listening to a perfect album, the kind that tells you basically a story from the start to finish, only for it to jump to a random song from the middle? So, basically, the emotions at that point are super broken. So, that's the shuffle mode, button in where it's not actually wanted. But before you throw your phone across the room or anything else, we can easily fix this. So the thing is, turning off shuffle on Amazon Music depends entirely on what kind of account you have. If you are a limited subscriber, as you see here, Amazon Music Unlimited, you will have full control. If you have a Prime account, things are a little bit different. So in today's small story, we're gonna break it down. We're gonna go through how to turn off shuffle in Amazon Music. So we're gonna go and start by if you actually own Amazon Music Unlimited on mobile, iPhone or even Android. Start playing the album playlist you want, then tap the song bar at the bottom to open the now playing screen. Look for the shuffle icon or the two overlapping arrows like this. If it's highlighted in blue, shuffle is actually on. Just tap it once like this. It will turn gray or white, which means the shuffle mode is actually off right now. So if you are using desktop or web, the process is almost identical while your music is playing. Find the shuffle button in the playback. Like you're gonna just go through the controls. If it's blue, click to turn it off. It's a simple, basically task. And that's it. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.